Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these DIY at home lash extensions. These were literally like £9 off of Amazon. Everything is going to be put in the description box below. If you watch this video, you're going to know exactly how you can achieve this look. If you enjoyed this tutorial. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Get to hit the notification bell as well so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm going to jump straight into this tutorial. I'm just going to take one off just so that I can show you guys how I actually achieved the eyelash look. Firstly, I just wanted to show you the pack that I got from Amazon. It's called EYELASHES. I bought this for like £10. So I'm literally just going to take this off. So you want to make sure that you have tweezers, scissors, and I use bonding glue. I like this one right here. So essentially what I'm going to be doing is cutting them exactly where like the gaps are on from underneath. So you don't have to go and spend 50, 60, 70, 80, even £90 on your lashes, sis. These lashes at the bottom here. I must also say, as you are cutting them into those small little pieces, the little tiny hairs in between, feel free to cut them out. For example, this piece here, that's gone. I'm not putting that on my eyes. I literally just want the chunks, so that from here to here, I'm going to cut this bit in the middle out, and then I'm going to take that one. I hope that's kind of self-explanatory. You want your lashes to give expensive. So can you see how I've like cut them up into individual pieces? So I'm going to start with my outer corners. These are the longest lashes on the ends, and these are the shortest eyelashes in the front. You can't just stick on the whole lash underneath, it won't make sense. Why did I not know that you could zoom in like this? This technology is too advanced for me! And okay, you got something, guys. You have to place the eyelash at an angle. So don't place it dead on, because you want to get that flick on the end, right? So it can look like extensions. You want to place your eyelash facing this way, so not straight, to the side. And I do stick these on from underneath. I've only applied the glue in the front, not on the bottom. Right on the corner. And you want to use your tweezer and press it into the eyelash. This is going to set the foundation for your whole eyelash, okay? And you just want to continue like that all the way through. See the way the glue is going down my arm? This is how I want to be chasing my goals and my destiny all 2022. That is the final product. If you have like a handheld fan, or you know, like the little electric fans, just go ahead and do that. And beautiful. Now you see we're back. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. The link to these lashes will be in the description below, as I said before. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.